Hello everyone, welcome to Hashed. So what's this tool all about? It's a tool that gives us a second phone number for calls, texts, and private messaging. It's useful for sales, contacting people anonymously, and more. Let's check out the pricing, though I don't think it's too expensive. It starts at $4, okay? With prepaid credits for calls and such. You can choose from Canada, US, or UK, alright? For $5, it's pretty much the same. I'm not sure what the difference is. Oh, it includes unlimited calls and texts. For $7 monthly, you get international calls too. To get your number, just click on Get Started. They'll ask for your email, so let's enter it. Here's the interface with the Get a New Number option. You can get a number from the US, Canada, or UK. You can also buy credits, okay? For calls and other services. That's about it for numbers and features, so it's pretty straightforward. Hope you like it. See you in future videos. Let's check out the Hatched reviews, okay? On platforms like Trustpilot, Hatched lets us make anonymous calls and texts from another number. Let's take a quick look at the reviews. They have 152 reviews with a 2.9 rating. They've got many 5-star reviews, but most are 1-star. Well, I've lost access to my account. I used an email I can't access anymore, and support hasn't helped. It's true I'm not seeing many support responses, though I see one here. I don't know if this app... I bought the cheapest plan and it never worked. Here, support jumps in trying to help them. Can't even use it for WhatsApp. It can't be used for WhatsApp Business either. It's not cost effective for me. Well, it makes sense that it can't be used for WhatsApp Business, because once you do, you can't go back. I understand why it's limited in that regard. It's a scam. Support always jumps in here, they're always attentive, In fact, they respond the same day. When support replies, I don't even read it anymore. I'm seeing that they might have some issues, okay? And support is stepping in to fix them. But let's look at the 5-star reviews, since we're only seeing the failures here. Here's someone it works for. Look what they say. Very good support, okay? Support service. That's great. They reply to all reviews, Excellent. Excellent Skype replacement. The app support is very efficient. So the support is really doing a good job, okay? Well, it's got a 2.9 rating, but looking at the responses and opinions, I haven't seen anyone say the platform doesn't work. Honestly, I could see myself using this tool, I know it might not be the most secure, as you might face issues and need to contact support, but if they're responsive, I value attentive support more than a 4.5 rating where support ignores you, honestly. So, there you have it.